Hey guys, how are you? Jeff Dissett here at the SEMA show. I get the big guy Chris here from ARP, the best fasteners in the game with their already extensive line of diesel fasteners. You got some brand new diesel stuff coming out. Tell us about it.
Yeah, with the high pressure, the high temperatures, the exhaust, the turbos, all the boost, we've added exhaust stud kits and exhaust bolt kits. We offer them in chromoly and in stainless. You need the extra strength. A lot of times with those trucks, they have an issue from the factory with the fasteners breaking on the exhaust side.
Tell us about what you guys do that makes your fasteners so much stronger than OEM.
Well, we always start with a premium quality material. So, our chromoly is the highest grade of chromoly 8740 we can get. We also have our ARP 2000, which is a 220,000 PSI material. And then in our stainless, we do a special cold reduction, cold forging process. It gets the strength up. So our stainless is minimally 20% stronger than a grade 8 fastener, and it's highly polished. It looks good and it functions great.
Explain cold forging to me. How is that different than a regular forged fastener?
Well, there's two types of forging, hot and cold. In the cold forging, we take the raw coil, the wire, the material, and we send it through a series of dies, and we actually extrude it down. So it's like pounding it down into the shape we want. And by doing that, we improve the strength of the part.
Very nice. And 6 or 12 point, it doesn't matter which, or 12 point, mostly for looks?
You get some more contact with your wrenching your sockets. You also get a reduction in the area or size. So if you have a tight area to work around a manifold or some plumbing, your intercooler pipes or something, you can use a smaller wrenching to get into that area.
Very interesting. As I noticed on some of your bolts or some of your fasteners that the bolt itself is nice and big, but the head is super small.
Yeah, that's that reduced wrenching that we use. Pretty much all of our fasteners utilize that option.
What do you guys got coming out for us next year?
Well, we got more new product coming out all across the board.
Where can the folks at home find out more about ARP?
They can go to @ARP Bolts on Instagram, or they can go to ARP-bolts.com.
ARP-bolts.com for all your fastener needs. The best in the business. Don't go away. We got more Power Automedia coverage of SEMA coming up.